Hello students, so today we are going to do the chapter The Best Christmas Present in the World. All of you must have received presents, and we get presents on our birthdays, on any achievement, any success. बर्थडे है हमारा, कुछ हमने अच्छा स्कोर किए रिज़ल्ट, कुछ हमने अच्छा काम किया, पेरेंट्स खुश हैं हम पे, तब वो हमको गिफ्ट देते हैं, प्रेजेंट्स देते हैं, दिवाली पे प्रेजेंट देते हैं, त्योहारों पे प्रेजेंट्स देते हैं. तो ये चैप्टर है क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट के ऊपर. इन द वर्ल्ड, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट क्रिसमस प्रेजेंट इन द वर्ल्ड, पूरी दुनिया में. तो before we start the chapter, there are some dates or periods of time in this history of the world that are so significant that everyone knows and remembers them. The story you will read mentions one such date and event, a war between the British and the Germans in 1914. Can you guess which war was it? So there are some important dates mentioned in this chapter. One such date is here, where in this paragraph the story you will read mentions one such date and event, a war between the British and the Germans. As we read the chapter, we will come to know what that date is. Can you guess? So do you know which events the date below refer to? So do you know which date 4th July refers to? 1776, 6th August 1947, 17 December 1903, and so on. So of course the page answers are on page 23, but we will have a look at this a little later. Let's go to the chapter now. So I'm reading the paragraph and then I will explain it to you. I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport, a roll top desk. तो मैंने देखा ना, हु इज सेइंग दिस, द ऑथर ऑफ द चैप्टर, कि मैंने देखा एक जंक शॉप में, कबाड़ी की दुकान इज कॉल्ड जंक शॉप, वेयर यू गेट ऑल रस्ट आइटम्स. ब्रिडपोर्ट इज़ अ नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस, एक जगह का नाम है. अ रोल टॉप डेस्क, सी आई विल शो यू द पिक्चर ऑफ अ रोल टॉप डेस्क. कैन यू सी दिस पिक्चर? रोल टॉप डेस्क. This boy is sitting with the roll top desk. The man said it was early 19th century and oak. तो जो कबाड़ी के दुकान में आदमी था उसने कहा कि ये 19th सेंचुरी का है और ओक का बना हुआ है. I had wanted one but they were far too expensive. तो मुझे चाहिए था, किसको चाहिए था? ऑथर को, उसको चाहिए था, बट वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव था. दिस वॉज इन अ बैड कंडीशन, और इसकी कंडीशन बुरी थी. द रोल टॉप इन सेवरल पीसेस. तो ये जो डेस्क थी, यू सी द पिक्चर ओवर हियर, वो कुछ पीसेस में टुकड़ी हुई थी, टुकड़े हुए थे. वन लेग क्लमजिली मेंडेड. तो उसका एक जो पैर था, सपोर्ट के लिए जो रखते हैं हम उसको, क्लमजिली मीन्स वेरी अनटाइडी मैनर से उसको ठीक किया गया था. स्कॉच मार्क्स ऑल डाउन वन साइड, और कुछ मार्क्स थे उस तरफ, बर्न मार्क्स, जले हुए मार्क्स थे. इट वॉज गोइंग फॉर वेरी लिटिल मनी. आई थॉट आई कुड रीस्टोर इट. मुझे चाहिए था, मुझे वापस लेना था इसको. इट वुड बी अ रिस्क, अ चैलेंज, बट आई हैड टू हैव इट. बट मुझे चाहिए था, ये रिस्की था खरीदना, ये इट वॉज अ चैलेंज टू बाय. नाउ व्हेनेवर यू गो टू बाय समथिंग फ्रॉम द मार्केट, even if you buy second hand, do you wish to buy something which is very risky at the end? Okay, you will just buy it and within few months it will get spoiled. So it was risk, it was a challenge, but he wanted to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. So now he paid money to the man. Which man? To the junk shop man. And he bought the roll top desk to the garage, to his garage. I began work on it on Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve means 25th December. Christmas evening, that's called. So he started working on it. He started making it a little more cleaner, a little more tidier. It was so untidy. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. So now you see he was pulling out the drawer. He pulled out all the roll tops and he was pulling out the drawer. The Wiener had lifted almost everywhere. Wiener means a thick layer of plastic or decorative wood on furniture of cheap wood. So it had some sort of a decoration kind of a thing, or decorative wood. If you see furniture in your house, such as your cupboard or such as your kitchen trolley or something, or your dressing table, you will see on the side it has a little neat फिनिशिंग. सो एंड देन सपोज इफ़ इट इज़ अ वेरी ओल्ड फर्नीचर, बहुत पुराना फर्नीचर है वो, तो साइड साइड से ऐसा घिसा हुआ दिखेगा, वो थोड़ा उसकी फिनिशिंग क्लीन नहीं दिखती होगी तुमको, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड वीनर. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. द वीनर हैड लिफ्टेड ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवेयर. इट लुक लाइक वाटर डैमेज टू मी. ऐसा लगता था कि ये पानी की वजह से बिगड़ गया है. रेन्स, they often cause a little change in furniture if they get wet, especially which is made of wood. So that was one example of the roll top desk. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on these desks. So over here we studied that it had scorch marks, so probably it has gone through some fire accident also. Then over here we studied the Wiener had almost lifted everywhere, which means the damage was because of water. So both fire and water had clearly taken a toll on on this desk. The last drawer was stuck fast. The last drawer was kind of stuck, shut tight. It wouldn't open easily. I tried all. I could ease it out gently. So he tried to pull it out gently in my fist, and the drawer flew open to reveal shallow space underneath. And he pulled it out, and the drawer flew open. To reveal means to show a shallow space underneath. So there was a shallow space underneath. A secret drawer. There was another secret drawer into this. There was something in there. I reached in and took out a small black tin box. Now what was there in this drawer? A small black tin box जिसको सेलोटेप था. टू द टॉप ऑफ इट वॉज अ पीस ऑफ लाइंड नोट पेपर. उसके अंदर एक पेपर था. दैट रूल्ड पेज ऑन विच वी राइट इन आवर नोटबुक्स, दैट रूल्ड पेज, समथिंग वॉज देयर ऑन दैट पीस ऑफ पेपर and written on it in shaky handwriting. Now those who are, all of you I think write with your right hand. Now imagine if you have to write one whole page with your left hand, so your handwriting will be shaky. So that shaky handwriting, somebody had written something. What was written in the letter? Jim's last letter, received January 25th, 1915. To be buried with me when the time comes. I knew as I did it that it was wrong of me to open the box, but curiosity got the better of my scruples. Scruples means feelings that you make. They make you feel hesitant to do something wrong. Means that feeling that suppose I have to read somebody's diary, so I know it is wrong, I'm feeling scruples about it, but I'm still going to do it. That feelings that make you hesitate to do something wrong, that make you stop. Now robbery is a wrong thing, but still you will take somebody's tiffin and hide it. Reading somebody's personal letter is a wrong thing. Taking something without permission from the owner is a wrong thing. So it, and that feeling when you do that act is called scruples. So as he saw the letter, which was marked with sellotape in a small black tin box, what was written in that letter? To be buried with me when time comes. मतलब जब समय आएगा तब मेरे साथ दफना देना उसको. It was wrong of me to open the box, but there's curiousness, we are interested to know, अरे क्या है इसमें पता करो ऐसे. It usually does. Inside the box there was an envelope. The address read. Now there was an envelope, or what all things are written on the envelope? To the receiver, from the sender, name and address. So what was written? Mrs. Jim Macpherson, 12 Copper Beaches, Bridport, Dorset. I took out the letter and unfolded it. So now he took out the letter and he opened it. It was written in pencil and dated on the top. So how do you write a letter? You write the date on top. So the date was December 26, 1914. So we finish part 1 of this chapter. It's a very small chapter. We shall do part 2 tomorrow. And then we will continue with the next chapter. Okay, see you soon.